Good morning, family. It's your girl, Kate Charles, and it is early in the morning on Saturday. But I gotta run to Home Depot because I need to get some contractor bags. I also need to get some paint thinner. I thought I bought some, but I can't find it, so I don't have time to be looking for it. I need to get some paint thinner because I want to make sure before I pack my mirror up, it's gonna be ready to go how it's gonna be looking. So gotta do that, and then I have to get something. I'm about to write me a list. I haven't wrote the list down yet, but I'm about to write a list. But y'all know I told you boy being intentional about everything that I do now because I am looking for my husband. Baby, this finger is gonna have a ring on it. So I'm telling you. So I'm doing everything intentional. So if you gotta get up early in the morning and run to Home Depot, what you putting on? And fellas, I need you to tell me which one of these looks would be more approachable for you. Okay? That's gonna be the new thing. Let me know which one. Which one is gonna get a good morning? Which one's gonna get a hello? Which one's gonna get a what you in here doing? I need to know. Y'all let me know, okay? So we're gonna make it, like I said, we're doing everything intentional for 2025. This is my year. This is the year I meet the man, okay? So, option number 1. Alright, y'all, so here's the first look. I got on some gray little knit cargo pants. I grabbed me a track jacket because I love this turquoise on my skin. It has a little gray in it, so it matching. I'm gonna go ahead and throw on my New Balance with that. And this is the perfect day for my little circle skirt. But if you ain't got you a K. Charles Couture circle bag yet, you're missing out. Did I say circle skirt? Oh my gosh, I'm tripping. Look, baby, this is the perfect bag for this today. Because you don't want to have a whole lot in your hands so you can talk. And you want to be able to ask questions. Got a little pocket up in the front with a little snap. But I love it, y'all. And this is genuine leather. I got a genuine leather bag of scraps. And I put them together and made this bag. So this is real leather. And I love the way it smells. But this is the first outfit, okay? With these tennis shoes. Alright, so I'm in the Home Depot, fellas. Do I look approachable? Is this an approachable look? Or look number 2? Alright, so here's look number 2. I went with the cream hoodie because this hoodie is nice and soft and it has like a little cute little pocket there. I went with some blue little stretchy pants. These are also like a stretchy knit type thing. And then for these, I'm going to go ahead and rock these Pumas on with it. I think that would be extra cute. And for my purse that I'm gonna be wearing, of course we're doing a Kate Charles tour. But this one, I think this is my version of the Hermes bag. I think this one would be appropriate for today. So this is the bag I'm using right here. And y'all know I normally hate these crossbodies, right? So we're gonna take them off. And I'll just wear my purse like this. I'm just gonna wear my purse like this. But of course, again, King Charles. And look, it has the blue on the inside, so it conveniently kind of matches. So here. So, okay, fellas. So which look is more approachable? Is this one approachable? And I put the hoop earrings on this time. I took the studs off and put the hoops on. So, I don't know, fellas. You tell me. Is this look more approaching